Hey guys, so today we will be learning a new concept which is called layers in Unity in 2D. So what is the purpose of layer? Layer is basically used to put particular object into a particular dimension. So layer is, you can call it a particular dimension. So suppose if this particular object and that particular object is in a one layer, then in that particular thing in collision we can check if they are in the same layer or not. So it's like that. So I mean, what I mean to say, that layer is basically used to group objects. So that is the one thing we can say about layer. So here, when this particular object, when it collides with the finish line, finish post, we have to check if they are in the same object, same layer, and if they are in the same layer, then we can say that the collision has happened correctly, and see, and we can display the text you win. So for that, what we have to do, we have to we have to create layer, and for that we can go to layer. Just wait for 2 seconds here. So we can go for layer. Yeah, we can go here on layer, and there is an option to create layer, and there we can actually create a new layer. So there we can see that there is a particularly layers, and we can create add layer also, new layers. And after creating and adding a layer, what we can deno and ice I have created, and after creating a new layer we can assign this particular layer to in here, like eyes, and whatever we want we can assign it here. So in the post also I have assigned the same layer, in the snowboarding I have assigned the same layer. In the code, what we can do, in the code we can what we can do, we can check on trigger collision enter 2D, we can check for the layer, we can get the layer of the game object, which is this, which is the player which is moving on the skates. And after that, after getting its layer, we can get the layer of the collided object, which is the game object, and we can match their layer index. If they match, then we can go ahead and do this. So this is the purpose of layer. Basically it is used for um, the purpose of layer is to basically group objects together to check collision or certain things. So that is the basic purpose of the layer, and please keep that in mind, that the purpose of layer is to put game objects together in one group, and so that when certain event occurs like trigger and collision, we can look into it and do it.